Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. And if we're already friends, it's nice to see you. And you're as beautiful as the pink iPhone XS. Before we get to the goods, let's do a quick spec check. Both phones, they have relatively similar hardware, save for the two lenses on the XS. So really, this will come down to a battle of software. The XS has Apple's new Smart HDR, whereas the Pixel 2 is running a previous version of Google's HDR+. But the knockout feature this year, which it inherited from the Pixel 3, is Night Sight. Could this be what keeps the Pixel 2 a contender for 2018? Or is it time for Apple to finally regain the throne as the photography king? Let's find out. So in order to conduct this test, my girlfriend and I went out into the cold Toronto night to put both cameras through the paces in a few different scenarios. Thank you again, Francesca, for braving the cold. I know your hands were absolutely freezing throughout this, so I really appreciate it and I love you. But instead of me babbling along to all of this, I'm gonna let the results speak for themselves, and then I'll share my thoughts at the end of the video. Enjoy. I was honestly very surprised how well the XS did here. I wasn't even going into this comparison to say the XS is a bad camera, because it's very far from it. I more so wanted to see if the Pixel 2 could still compete with the latest and greatest from Tim Cook, which it honestly absolutely can. And when you consider the monumental price tag of the XS, shouldn't we also expect a monumental improvement in quality? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.